Hello and welcome back to ENG ENGINE. English is a language which has many interesting facts. Let us learn or understand a few interesting facts about English in this video. Let's get into the video. The most common vowel in English is E, followed by A. So E is the most common vowel used in English language. The most common consonant in English is R, followed by T. R is commonly used English letter. Only two English words in current use end in GRY, angry and hungry. The word bookkeeping is the only unhyphenated English word with 3 consecutive double letters. Bookkeeping. You can see there are 2 O's, 2 K's and 2 E's. 3 consecutive double letters. Uncopyrightable is the longest English word in normal use that contain no letter more than once. Uncopyrightable. So there is no any repeated letter. A sentence that contain all 26 letters of the alphabet is called a pangram. One example for this pangram: the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. You will find all the 26 letters in this sentence. It's an interesting fact, isn't it? The word alphabet comes from the first 2 letters of Greek alphabet, alpha and beta. The dot over the letters I and J is called a superscript dot. The shortest complete sentence in English is I am. It's the shortest sentence, it's meaningful too. We can find 10 words in the 7-letter word therein without rearranging any of its letters. So therein is a 7-letter words. From therein we can frame 10 words without rearranging them. The words are the, there, he, in, rain, her, here, era, therein, herein. Well, in this video, we understood a few interesting facts about English. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share. Thanks for watching.